Hello, friends, and welcome back to Mr. Benito's virtual second grade classroom. We are going to continue with figurative language, and we are moving on to personification now. So personification is when you give a thing, animal, or idea human characteristics. So you can kind of, if you look at the word personification, you can see, what does it start with? Person. It starts with the word person. So it kind of helps to remind you that when you use personification, you're giving human or people characteristics to something that is not a person. Let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so our first two examples. The first one here, the flowers danced in the gentle breeze. I'm sure many of us can picture that. Now, do flowers dance? No, they do not. But if the wind goes by, if a gentle breeze goes by, would they move almost like it looks like they're dancing if we give them human characteristics? Sure, humans dance. Flowers don't dance, but they move almost like dancing. Again, figurative language, these are different strategies to make our writing more interesting. So this is another way to make it more interesting. Let's look at another example. The radio came to life with the touch of a button. Is a radio a living thing? No. So can it come to life? Well, no. But does this still kind of make sense here if we use personification? So the radio came to life with the touch of a button. So maybe it didn't actually come to life, but maybe this is a way we could say the radio turned on. Doesn't that sound more interesting than I turned the radio on? The radio came to life with the touch of a button. To me, it sounds more interesting. Okay, a couple more examples here. Our next one here. The fire swallowed the entire forest. Fires can't swallow things. But what does it mean? It means that the fire devastated, that it took over, that it burned down the whole forest. Our next one here. The building was so tall, it seemed to kiss the sky. Buildings don't kiss, and they don't kiss skies either. So what does it mean? Well, it just means that the building was very tall. But what's more interesting? The building was very tall, or the building was so tall it seemed to touch the sky. Our last one here. The plants begged for water. Plants can't talk. So if the plants begged for water, oh, maybe it looks like it was droopy or the leaves were getting a little bit yellow. But they don't actually beg for water. So again, personification is when you give human characteristics to things that are not human. All right, hope everyone's doing well. Don't forget to smile today.